to show you how to use Cami to complete your Act 2 close reading assignment. So if you go to your Schoology page and you scroll down, click on week 7. It might take it a second to load, be patient. Scroll down to Act 2 close reading. So you're going to annotate on the document using the Cami extension. If you click on the assignment, it'll look a little bit different than some of your other assignments. Instead of just clicking on the document, there will actually be a button that says Open Assignment with Cami. You're going to click on that. It'll take it a second to populate in Cami, but once it does, it's going to make your life a lot easier. Here we go. Okay, so what you're going to do on this assignment is it's a close reading passage, which means you're going to actually read it twice. You're going to read it one time without making any annotations, no notes, no highlighting, nothing. You're just going to read straight through it. It's not very long. It's 2 pages, okay? The first time you read through it, just read without notes, no annotating. The second time you read through it, I want you to make annotations looking for examples of conflict. Now, conflict is a struggle between forces or the problem in the story. There's internal conflict, which happens within the character, and then there's external conflict, which happens outside of the character. You're going to be looking for all of those things. Okay, so how you annotate on Cami. You're going to read through the passage, reading. When you find a passage that you think shows an example of conflict, you're going to click Markup and then Text Highlighter. You can change the color down here. I don't really care what color you pick. Just don't pick black. I'm going to go with pink. You're going to take your mouse, highlight what you want to be highlighted, and then it'll highlight it for you. Here's the thing. Annotating literally means to make a note. So you're not just going to highlight and be done with it. After you highlight it, you're going to click the comment button, text comment, and then you're going to click on what you highlighted. Then on the side in this comment section, you're going to write about how this quote that you highlighted shows something about the conflict in the story. So how does this show conflict? Why did you pick this? You should have more than one annotation when you're finished. I'm not telling you how many you should have, but you should definitely have more than one. After you've read through the whole passage and you've annotated and you've made your comments, remember, not just highlighting. You're going to go down to the bottom. This is a very short chart just to kind of outline what kind of conflicts you found. So you're going to write in these or type in these by clicking text box. You can change the font size. Just do a color that I can read. I don't really care which one. You're going to click in the box and it'll make a text box. I like to go ahead and drag the box to the correct width because when you start typing, it'll fit in the box perfectly. Okay, so what do you write in the box? This is where you're going to put a quote from the passage that you just read that shows some sort of conflict. You're going to put the quote here, not your commentary, just the quote. Anything from the passage is considered a quote. Okay? You can have more than one in each box, but it's easier if you just put one quote in each box. Then you're going to come down here where it says effects on the plot. You're going to click comment and a text comment. Oops. Sorry, text box. There we go. I'm going to drag it to the right width. This is where you explain your quote. So how does it show some sort of conflict in the story? So how does it affect what's happening in the story? What is the problem and what is its effect? You're going to do that for all these boxes. These are internal conflicts. This is, what's happening inside of the character or different characters. External conflicts, things happening outside or between characters. Don't worry about the prompt at the bottom. Ignore that. Just do the chart and the annotations. It will be saving automatically while you're working. It says it up here, saved. When you're finished, you're going to click turn in. I can't submit it because I'm the teacher. But when you click turn in, it will take you back to the assignment page and you're done. It should say submitted or turned in, or it'll let you know that it was completed. If you want to, you can download it and put it on your own Google Drive, where if Schoology deletes your work, you have a copy of it that you can just email to me. Okay, I think that's it. So that's how you complete the Act 2 close reading. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me or send me a message.